Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Orc Hammer in Gothic 1 Remake. The Orc Hammer is a strong one-handed weapon with a reasonable strength requirement for its damage output. Although it's found in an area that's normally visited in Chapter 3, you can actually obtain it as early as Chapter 1. What you'll want to do is head to the castle at the Mountain Fortress, right here as you can see on the map. Ignore all the enemies you encounter on your way to this location. Right before you enter the main path leading to the castle, turn left onto this path right here. Once you get here, simply unlock this chest using the lockpick solution linked in the comment section below. Shoot the chest and you'll acquire the Orc Hammer. This weapon deals 50 blunt damage which only requires 42 strength to equip. This is one of the better early weapons available, especially when dealing with skeletons since they have high resistance to magic, piercing, and edged weapons. And that's how to get the Orc Hammer in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.